Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you cannot remove highlighting in your Word document. If you have a Word document and if the text is highlighted, there might be an instances that you're not able to remove the highlighting. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about different steps how you can remove highlighting from a Word document. Now, the first step is you will have to select the highlighted text in your document. With that, you will have a menu listed here. You will have to choose the text highlight option and then choose no color. This is one way. In case if you're not able to see this menu, what you could do is you can highlight the text which you want to remove the highlighting and then click on the home tab. Under home tab, you can click on the font section, click on the drop down under text highlighter and then choose the option which says no color. Once this is done, you should be able to remove the highlighting in your Word. In spite of this, if you're not able to remove highlighting, the next thing what you could do is you can select the highlighted text in your Word document, cut the text which you want to remove the highlighter, keep the cursor and hit enter so that the cursor is back in this section. Go to the home tab and click on paste. Under paste option, use the option which says keep text only. With this, you should be able to remove the highlighted text in the Word document. You can repeat the same step to the other highlighted text. Now, in spite of this, if you're still not able to remove the highlighted text, now the next step what you could do is you can also remove the highlighter from the settings. You can go to the file at the top left corner and then click on options. Under options, you can go to the display section. Under display section, you can uncheck the box which says show highlighter marks. So basically what this will do is this will turn off the highlighter option to hide any highlighter marks both on the screen and when printing. You can uncheck the box and then click on OK, and that should also remove highlighting in your Word doc. So all these steps should definitely help you to remove highlighting in Word. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with a possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.